IBM estimates that the average employee spends 2.5 hours per day searching for information. A well-designed PKM system reduces this to minutes because every piece of knowledge has a predictable, searchable home. Set up universal capture points, browser extension for web clips, mobile app for on-the-go notes, email forwarding for newsletters, and a quick capture shortcut on your desktop. The goal is zero-friction capture from any context. If capturing takes more than 5 seconds, you won't do it consistently. Raw captures are useless without processing. Daily, spend 10 minutes reviewing your inbox. Summarize in your own words, tag with relevant topics, link to related notes, and file using Para. Processing transforms raw information into usable knowledge. Your system is only as good as your ability to find things. Use full-text search as your primary retrieval method, tags as secondary, and folder structure as tertiary. Create MOCs, maps of content, for major topics. These are hub notes that link to everything related to a theme. The ultimate purpose of PKM is creation, writing, teaching, building, deciding. When you need to create something, search your system first. Assemble relevant notes, identify gaps, then fill them with new research. Your past self becomes your research assistant. Complete PKM system setup in Obsidian showing the inbox to permanent note pipeline, tag taxonomy, MOC creation, and a real example of using stored knowledge to draft an article in half the usual time. Start with just the capture layer. Install a web clipper and a mobile note app today. Process for 10 minutes tomorrow. Build the system one layer at a time. Free setup guide in the description.